In front of me is NOKIA 2.3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open Messages, then click on Start Chat, and just click on the entrance number so you can check the layout. As you can see, now we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, just tap on the settings. Now click on Languages, and here you can smoothly add keyboard by tapping on this tab named Samely. And here you've got the whole list of languages. As you can see, it's super long and everyone will find something suitable no matter where you're from. So this is the end of the list. Now just pick the language that you would like to apply. Let me pick Hebrew, tap on Done. And if you'll click here again, just mark English because we set it up with both languages. Let's move it to Yiddish, and here it is. So now you can smoothly write in this language. You can obviously switch off English and have just one language applied by tapping on Edit, Remove, tap on Bin, and now there will be no options, just Hebrew applied. And this is it. This is how you can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.